Hello, good day. I'm James, Utak POS. So we are a cloud-based system and basically we help the SMEs at mga negosyo. Dapat malaman nila kung anong benta nila, anong inventaryo sa kanya-kanyang tindahan. And what we can do is we can give it to you in a few seconds. I think that everybody agrees that time is the most important thing. Ang kailangan natin sa negosyo ay oras, pero para maging maganda ang takbo ng negosyo, kailangan malaman mo ano nangyari sa store. So kay Utak POS po, we can do that for you for only 3 seconds. So it's very important that all business owners and medium and small enterprises across the country, dapat talaga hawak nyo ang data ninyo. Ano bang pinakamabenta nyong produkto? May inventaryo na ba kayo? Kumusta benta nyo? Kumusta po yung tao nyo? All of these things are important to drive a business forward. Pag wala kang data, ang hirap mag-move forward. Like what I always say also, that lahat naman ng Pilipino, lahat ng negosyante may puso, may hard work. Pero hindi lang pwedeng puso lang. Kailangan may data para maganda ma-decision moving forward. I just want to, a shout out lang to all the SMEs in the country, and that si Utak POS is a proud partner, and nandito kami para tulungan kayong mag-succeed, at pag nag-succeed ang negosyanteng Pilipino, magsasucceed po ang buong Pilipinas.